In this video we are going to discuss the topic set. So we have three objectives. We will discuss what is a set in mathematics. We will discuss the different notation in the set, and the third thing we are going to discuss about the elements of a set. So let's move on the first objective. What is a set in mathematics? The collection of well-defined objects or distinct object is known as the set. What is the meaning of well-defined? For example, as you can see in your slide, the collection of children in class 7 whose weight exceeds 35 kg represent a set, because it is a complete information given about the children's about their weight. So it is a well-defined statement. On the other hand, as you can see the example of not well-defined set, a group of young singers is not a set. Why it is not a well-defined statement? Because the range of the ages of a young singer is not given. So when the range of the ages of young singer is not given, so we cannot decide which singer is to be considered young. So these objects are not well defined. So this is the simple explanation regarding the well defined statement and not well defined statement. So now I am going to move on the second objective. In the second objective is, what are the different notations in set? So as you can see, as you have observed that we have different notations in a set, so we are using in the set. So today we are going to discuss the notation in the set. So we will learn about the sets. We shall use some separate notation for the familiar set of numbers. Some of the different notations used in sets are like belong to. This is the symbol of belong to. As you can see, the symbol of belong to is like this. Does not belong, same like the symbol of belong to, but you have to put the cross sign like this. Such that or null set or empty set. Cardinal number of the set you have to represent in this way, and union of two sets you have to represent with this sign. Intersection of two sets you have to represent with this sign. We will in the next video we will further study about the union of two sets and intersection of two sets. So now you have to keep it in your mind, these notations we will use in the set. Now I am going to move on the third objective. What are the elements of a set or members of a set? So the objects used to form a set are called its element or its member. For example, as you can see elements or a member of a set. Example A is given. Example A, the set A is the name of the set, and inside the curly bracket as you can see here, the elements are there: V, W, X, Y, Z. Okay, so here A is the name of the set, okay, and whose element and its members are V, W, X, Y, Z. So when you are going to write the set, so you have to keep it in your mind that the set is represented into the curly bracket, as you can see here, and the set you have to denote with the capital letter, and inside you have to write into the small letters. So this is the these are the three objectives that we have discussed. In the next video we will discuss further about the union of two sets and intersection of two sets.